Instructions on loading label media rolls into the Zebra TLP series printers. Before we get started, there are certain areas of the printer that you should be aware of as you're setting it up for use. The first area is the cover lock, as shown here. The next area is the print head, which provides the heat needed to transfer heat through the ribbon and onto the label material. The platen roller, which drives the label through, the ribbon supply hub, the take-up gear, the media hangers, and the gap sensor. The gap sensor is used to detect the beginning and end of a label so the printer knows where to print. Placing the roll in the printer's roll storage compartment. Open the printer by pulling the two green tabs. You need to pull the levers toward the front of the printer. Remove the outside length of media. During the shipment, the roll may become dirty when handled or dusty when stored. Removing the outside length avoids dragging adhesive or dirty material between the print head and platen. Separate and hold open the media hangers. Orient the media roll so that its printing surface will be up as it passes over the platen. The adjustable guides direct the media toward the platen and print head. Thread the media through the guides, and then close the media guides by turning the guide adjuster knob to the front. They should just touch, but not restrict the edges of the media. This next section will review how to load the ribbon into the printer. When loading ribbon, you install the supply and take-up rolls, then tighten the ribbon on the carriage. The first thing you want to do is install the ribbon supply roll. Thread the ribbon through the carriage. Press the right side onto the supply hub. Align the notches on the left side and mount onto the spokes of the left hub. Then you need to install the take-up core. Press the right side onto the take-up hub. Align the notches on the left side and mount onto the spokes of the left hub. You can find your first ribbon take-up core in the packing box. Subsequently, use the empty supply core to take up the next roll of ribbon. You must align the ribbon so that it will be taken straight onto the core. This is done by attaching the ribbon to the take-up core. Use the adhesive strip on new rolls, otherwise use tape. Turn the ribbon take-up gear counterclockwise to remove slack from the ribbon. An example of the wrong way to string the ribbon is typically wound where the ribbon is not brought around the print head, but instead brought directly from the supply roll to the take-up roll without being brought around the print head. Close the top cover. Remember that you need to release the cover lock, lower the top cover, and press down until the latches snap into place.